Hi there, little friends. Welcome to Chivo Academy. Today the story was Zuzu the bird who was afraid to fall. High in an old mango tree, a baby bird named Zuzu lived with his family. His wings were strong, but his heart was full of fear. Every day, his brothers and sisters would flap their wings and practice flying. But Zuzu said,
What if I fall? What if I fail?
so he stayed in the nest, watching others soar. One morning, a storm shook the tree. The nest rocked, and Zuzu slipped. He screamed, flapping in panic. And then something amazing happened. He flew. Not because he was ready, but because he tried. When he landed, the wind in his feathers and the joy in his heart made him shout.
I can fly!
From that day on, Zuzu flew with confidence and helped other birds who were afraid to try. Moral of the story: you'll never know what you can do until you try. Fear is the nest. Courage is your wings.